Hi. In a dynamic world where traditional employment norms are shifting, students, mums, entrepreneurs in South Africa are increasingly turning to online avenues to supplement their income. One such avenue gaining serious traction is the Dewpoint Wealth Creation System. It is offering a unique opportunity for students, mums, and entrepreneurs to earn money while they are pursuing their studies or looking after their children. But let's explore how they can leverage the system to make money online in South Africa. Thousands of young South Africans are already using the system to better their financial circumstances. Students are bettering their lives, and young mums have money to look after their children or to pay for the extras they need. Others are creating better lives for their families using the system. If they can do it, why not you? The Dewpoint Wealth Creation System is an innovative platform that operates on a modified brokerage model, enabling individuals to earn within the financial services industry. It allows all South Africans to work in the financial services sector without having to write exams or adhere to strict rules that is governing the financial services industry. But why is that? Because they are contracted out of selling of financial products and only refer people to Dewpoint's website. The website contains all the information. A key feature of this groundbreaking business model is that Dewpoint leverages its own clients to disseminate information about the system without requiring them to sell any financial products themselves. By simply referring people to Dewpoint's website, using your unique registration number, and they refer to it as your wealth engineer number. I love that term, wealth engineer, because that is what we are doing. We are engineering our own wealth. But you create an unlimited income stream with it. As a wealth engineer, you receive a recurring lead fee on all successful product payments each month, resulting in a steadily growing income. Moreover, this system empowers individuals to build their own businesses while earning returns on their efforts. It's an asset that they are building and it belongs to them in perpetuity. Additionally, there are production bonuses of 5, 10 or 15,000 along the way. Now, the steps to make money using the Dewpoint Wealth Creation System is as follows. First, joining Dewpoint. Begin your journey with Dewpoint, becoming a valued member of the community. Signing up online on www.dewpoint.net using W100000944 as your reference is quick and easy. The best part is completely free to join. Once you join, you have the opportunity to choose from a selection of 8 exceptional product options. This enables you to kickstart your journey immediately without any upfront payments. At Dewpoint, our wealth engineers don't focus on traditional sales tactics. Instead, they provide a generous income generating system as a complementary addition to all Dewpoint's top-of-the-range product offerings. Selecting a product that aligns with your needs unlocks its benefits and taps into the potential for unlimited income. Simply share the information with others and watch as your income grows. Join us today and start reaping the rewards of financial empowerment with Dewpoint. Secondly, building a channel. Once registered, students, mums, and entrepreneurs can immediately start building their own distribution channels by sharing the information about Dewpoint with others. This can be done through various channels such as social media word of mouth, and networking events. And number 3 is earning production bonuses. Nice, eh? Cash bonuses of 5, 10 or 15,000 rand can be earned every month based on your performance as you build your business. Your growing income is supplemented by these bonuses. The more you share the information across social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, etc., the larger your network grows, leading to higher earning potentials. There is no ceiling or time limits to achieve results. And number 4 is continuous learning and development. DuPont emphasizes financial education and personal development. It offers this world-class training for free. Students, mums, and entrepreneurs can access training resources, webinars, workshops to enhance their knowledge and skills in areas such as financial management, entrepreneurship, and even sales. Now, what's the benefit of the DuPont Wealth Creation System for students, mums, and entrepreneurs? First of all, there's flexible income earning opportunity. The DuPont system offers students, mums, and entrepreneurs the flexibility to earn money on their own terms, allowing them to balance their studies, looking after their children, or working on their fortunes with their business activities. Secondly, there's no capital investment. You can start sharing the information and access their free training immediately after joining online without any capital investment or upfront product payments. Next, there's no prior experience required. Unlike traditional employment opportunities that may require specific qualification or experience, the DuPont system welcomes students, mums, and entrepreneurs from all backgrounds and levels of experience. Next, there's personal growth and professional growth. By participating in the DuPont community, students, mums, and entrepreneurs can develop valuable skills such as communication, networking, and salesmanship, which can benefit them both personally and professionally. Financial empowerment. Through the DuPont system, students, mums, and entrepreneurs can take control of their financial future and work towards achieving their long-term goals, whether it's paying off their student loans, saving for travel, building a nest egg for the future, or looking after their children and make sure that they can have a decent education. In conclusion, the DuPont Wealth Creation System presents an exciting opportunity to all students, mums, and entrepreneurs to make money online in South Africa while gaining valuable skills and knowledge. By joining the DuPont community, they can embark on a journey of financial empowerment, personal growth, and entrepreneurship, setting themselves up for both success now and in the future. You are welcome to contact me because I love what I'm doing and I would love to guide and mentor you. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye for now.